Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, Dodge Charger 2006 model won't go into gear. Y'all remember these old style shifter that used to? This should be fairly easy. Where's the key? Oh, that ain't it. It's moving. Wait a minute. It said it wouldn't go into drive or... Oh, I thought this was one of those, who out there old enough to remember, Tom Cook, and Hella might know too, because Hella in the dealership world, but I remember this old style shifter that the little orange piece used to break inside of it all the time. So we used to have to take this out, put a white clip in it, or I would essentially recondition the shifter with new parts. Because if it breaks, they just made it the part real cheap and it broke all the time, so we had to go in with a stronger part. But that's not this problem, I don't guess. They said it wouldn't go into gear, it won't go into drive. Huh. I'm moving into drive. Let me see something. Ooh, sound like a Hemi. Y'all hear that? Let me do that again. Yeah. It's a Hemi Charger 06, baby. Let me see something. Yeah, I'm going into gear. Ooh, okay. No, I'm not moving. I'm in drive, I'm not moving. Ooh, I hear some swish noise. Guys, we gotta go. Let's go under the hood. Ooh, I'm hearing some fluid noise. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, guys, hold on. Ooh, I see fluid. Y'all see all that fluid down there? Whoa! Y'all see that radiator hose? The clamp not even on the hose. Oh, it's another clamp on the end. I'm seeing transmission fluid all up. Let me see something. That's all transmission fluid, guys. So the cooler is right here in the front. So we got a leak. It's not going into gear because it likely has no fluid in it. Alright, so basically in order to drive, I will have to put some fluid in it. There's no dipstick, guys, but there is a dipstick too. Alright. I'm gonna see if I can make it in the shop. Now, on that bottom hose, I saw the clamp. You can see it from here. You see the clamp right there? But there is a hose on up under. Okay, somebody been messing around. I got a leak. I can hear the fluid swishing. Alright guys, hold tight. Let me try to get this inside the shop. I thought it was one of those shifter issues, but it's not. So we're going in the shop, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to a quick break. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I have it up in the air. Let's see what was... Oh, it's a nag. But that transmission leak is coming from this front. Ooh, look at this. Okay, this is why it's not pulling, guys. There's no fluid in it. So it is a transmission problem. Physical, not a shifter issue. What we got going on under here? Yeah, somebody put a hose on it. Left the clamp on here. I don't know where. In order to see exactly what it's coming from, I'm gonna have to take somebody up in the air, have them start it, and look and see where the fluid is leaking from. Alright. Yeah, so we very low on train. I barely made it in, guys. It actually stopped. Look at this. Somebody just put this engine in? Didn't tighten it up? Dang. Freaking losers. Yeah, somebody likely just installed this engine, guys. Because it had a weird, bad clunking noise. It's like the engine's not... See, This stuff here get you in trouble, man. Oh my goodness. They fooling around with this, man. This rigged up stuff. How do you not? Alright, what I'm gonna do is it's just sitting here. Now, y'all know how the radiator sits in this cradle right here. But I want to see. I gotta take somebody in the air, guys. I want to physically see where this leak is coming from. Hold tight. Stay tuned. All right, guys. You can see I got it semi full of fluid. I got some fluid in it. I'm taking a helper up now. So what I'm gonna do is have him start it, so I can visually see where this fluid coming from. Okay, it is a fluid leak. I just want to know exactly. It's in a cooler area, but I want to know exactly where it's coming from. All right, y'all ready? Man, let's get it. All right, yeah, start it up. In neutral or in park? In park. Whoa. Hold on, turn it off for a second. What the hell? Oh, it's punctured right here. Wait a minute. Oh. Hold on, let me grab a bucket. Alright, start it up again. Yeah, start it. Alright, kill it. I see what I need to see. This line is punctured. That's because it's in the wrong place. Some dummy routed it. Ooh, it just rubbed, yeah. Alright, so that's why we're losing all the fluid. So basically gonna need some cooler lines. That was fairly easy. And I always do trans service anytime I touch the transmission, guys. Alright, because you basically gonna be semi-responsible for the transmission. So technically, had they not routed it like this, it would still be alive. Look, it's just rubbed right there on this black, look at that. That's what it do. It just rubbed right there and finally ate into it. So I need cooler lines. Those cooler lines route from here, go all the way here to this valve, and then all the way to the transmission. Not bad at all. I'm gonna see if they'll purchase it. If so, we're gonna get them put on, guys. Man, look at that. Y'all see that? I'm not crazy. Somebody just installed this engine and left bolts loose. I will be sure and write all that. Yeah, they did a crappy job, man. Look, this is a whole new suspension. I'm not about to be blamed for this, guys. No way, no how, no sir. Look at that. Engine motor mounts loose. There's not a bolt. Where's that other one? There's not a bolt on here. No telling what's going on this side. Look at that. I don't even see bolts in this side. I'm not. No sir. All right, I'm about to bail. I'm getting out of this one. All right, guys. CYA. I'm telling you guys, they will frame you and blame you and everything. This suspension is raggedy as all outdoors, but it's got new suspension parts on it. Oh, this is a new knuckle. Oh my goodness. Alright, let me let him down, let him out. Hold tight. Alright guys, I got it back down. Yeah, this engine, this looked like a newly installed engine. For all I know, you know what guys, this might be one of those where they tried to convert a 3.5 into a Hemi. But you know the nag transmission has its own module. Because y'all see that harness? Let me take this out. I want to know what this engine, what this car was originally equipped with, guys. You know how to find it out? That's it. Run the VN. I'm about to run the VN. Guys, I had a couple of videos out on this. The difficulty in converting a 3.5 into a Hemi engine. The Hemi runs best with the NAG 1 transmission. Okay, so number one, off the bat, if you don't have a NAG, if your car not equipped with a NAG transmission, you at a disadvantage already. However, if you have a 3.5 equipped Charger and it's equipped with the NAG, that means the NAG electronics are already in place. So at that point, you're trying to convert everything to run a V8 engine instead of a V6. All right, so I'm curious now. I want to know what the car is originally equipped with, because it'll fit. Everything will fit just the same. Now, while they see, no, I'm not getting involved in none of that. All I'm gonna do. Tell you what, guys, hold tight. I want to see what this car is originally equipped with. Hold tight.